In this tutorial, how do you create a bootable USB flash drive for Debian Linux operating system? You need this software, Rufus. I've left the link in the video description. In case the link do not work at some point of time, you're going to search for it manually over the internet and download this software, Rufus. Open the software. In the very first option, you're going to choose your pen drive. The second option, click on select, and you're going to select the ISO file of Debian. I've downloaded this Debian ISO. It's an operating system from the internet. I've left the link in the video description. In case the link do not work at some point of time, you're going to search for it manually over the internet and download it, the ISO file. Partition scheme, you're going to choose GPT. File system should be NTFS. In case if you want to check for the bad blocks, you're going to check this box. Otherwise, uncheck it. So if you check this box, it will check your device for all the bad blocks if it has. I'm pretty sure my device do not have a bad blocks, so I'll uncheck it. Click on Start, click on OK, and then click on OK in order to create a bootable USB flash drive. Now you can see it is getting ready. You can see it is ready now. Click on close. Now let me open the folder. You can see here it is a Debian. See, it's ready now to boot. Now you can just eject your pen drive and start booting your new system with the new Linux operating system, Debian.